Once you've gone into an eddy, you have to be able to get out. Sometimes you can just go out the bottom of the eddy. This is called melding. But many times you can't. There'll be an obstacle in the way, or you'll want to go out into the main river current to go around something further down the line. The process of going from in the eddy to out into the main current is called peeling out. Why it's not called peeling in or eddying back into the current or something like that, I don't know, but generally it's called peeling out. Since we are going from a situation where the water is flowing upstream in the eddy to downstream in the current, we have to change our edge so that when we hit the current, our boat is edged downstream. If we don't, the current will catch the edge of our boat and we'll be upside down. Failing to edge downstream is the most common problem among people I see when they're peeling out. On the other hand, and this isn't as common of a problem, if you way overdo the edge, you'll turn back into the eddy line, get caught in the turbulent water, and end up upside down. The other issues regarding peeling out are harder to see on the video. They're easy to feel in your boat, but they're a little bit hard to see. Let's start by saying that you either want to be in the eddy or out in the current, but not on the eddy line. Eddy lines are quirky places. Greg's not play acting here. He's just going, and the boat seems to have a mind of its own. With that said, we want to have some speed as we leave the eddy. We've got to punch through the eddy line and get out into the current. If we coast our way out, we'll get caught on the eddy line, and who knows what might happen. We want to leave the eddy with an angle of about 45 degrees to the current. If our angle's too small, we'll get rejected and wobble along on the eddy line. If our angle's too big, we'll probably get turned too quickly and might turn right back in onto the eddy line. As we leave the eddy, we're going to get our paddle vertical and put it deep down in the water for a draw stroke. Sometimes people put their paddle out horizontally like an outrigger or a brace stroke, but that's deceptive. It doesn't provide nearly the stability of a vertical draw stroke. When possible, we'll go out near the top of the eddy. That's the cleanest, best eddy line to have to cross. Occasionally, we'll have to go out lower to avoid a hole or rock or some other obstacle. We started this section with an example where we could go out of the bottom of the eddy. For many, that'll be the easiest way, but it's not the way you should be practicing. Sooner or later, you're going to have to be able to go out to the tops of eddies, and that's what you should be practicing whenever you have a choice.